Okay, good morning, dear watchers. Today you are with me, Khaled Umar, and I am going to talk to you about a presentation, which is the endangered rhinoceros. And before I start my presentation, I would like to say several words, which are: let us suppose that we all live in a garden. Generally, all humans or species, we are only in just a single garden. So let's think, or let's imagine what will happen if in case some of its members or roses, flowers, has just like lost. Of course, it would be a terrible loss. We all would feel it in case something was missing, and to do that, to this example. This example was for the endangered rhinoceros, because they are getting endangered day by day, year by year, and some of its sections has already endangered. So, I mean, has already disappeared. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you about the first of all, the black rhino. The black rhino is African one, which lives in places such as Botswana, Zambia, and its area of Africa. And as well, the location is at the eastern of this area, Africa, which is Africa. And the color is brownish gray. Of course, it is brownish gray. And about the size, length, height, and weight. The length is 3 meters up to 4 meters long, and the height is 2 meters up to 2.5 meters high. While the weight is minimum 800 up to 1,400 kgs as maximum. We'll talk about the horns as well. Horns they are really famous with by their horns. I mean, the rhinos. Rhino is the abbreviation of rhinoceros. So the horns, the black rhino has 2 horns, which are the rear and the front one. The front is longer and larger than the rear one. It could be 22 inches up to 55 inches long as maximum, 55 inches long as maximum. And for the rear one, it is almost 22 inches long as maximum. While the reproduction of this kind, it is not limited. There is no specific time for their reproduction, and the pregnancy period is 450 days long as maximum. And what else about the black rhino? As I read from Google, researchers show that females of this section are more sociable than the ones than the males, and the kids, as usual, stay with their mothers, and which is a great thing. We all appreciate this habit, and other things like the usings of these horns and their skin. These two characteristics took this species into danger, into endanger. Why? Because humans in ancient time used to kill this species because of their skin and their horns. Why their horns and skin? Because they use their horns in armor and soldierity. Also, the cup of cups of wine, and some other stuffs that are really precious for the ancient life. The other type of the Sumatran rhino. The Sumatran rhino, it is an Asian rhino. It is an Asian rhino, and it lives in places such as China, Cambodia, and Indonesia. Sumatran is taken from Indonesia's one of Indonesia's islands, and its color is brown. The length is 3.5 centimeters long, and centimeters long. The height is 1.5 centimeters long. The height is 1.5 centimeters long, and the way it weighs within 455 kgs as minimal, and 1,555 kgs weigh as maximum. The horns, it has 2 horns as usual, as the first one, and it is the rear one and the front one. The front one is 22 inches as maximum, while the other is 10 inches, which could be 3 centimeters, the rear one. And the reproduction or the mating period, it is November and December. The pregnancy period is 17 up to 18 months long, while the kids as usual stay with their mothers, and they take the food from their mother's mouth until they get adult. And their longevity of age is almost 30 years up to 35 years old. And this section has something special with it, which are the senses. The senses are hearing and smelling. It has a really good smell and hearing as well. The speed of this section, the Sumatran section, is 25 km per hour. And to talk about the Javan rhino, we will say that it is taken of an island which is this name is taken of an island which is in Indonesia too, in lowlands, in dense lowlands, while its color is gray or gray brown, but also when it gets wet, it is almost black. So to talk about the size of it, it is 2 meters up to 4 meters long, while the weight is almost 900 up to 2,900 kgs as maximum, and 1.4 up to 1.5. 140 up to 170 centimeters high. This section has horns also, but this only males have these horns, which is the smallest horn at within or amongst the rhinos, amongst